just a quick review of the physical therapy putty kit, finger exercisers, and hand strengtheners kit. Um, basically, it's got a lot of stuff in it. You can break it down into 4 basic components. It's got these little circles here. It's got these individual finger strengtheners. It's got these squeeze eggs, and it's got the TheraPutty. So the squeeze eggs are pretty self-explanatory. You just squeeze them, so it works the muscles that you use for squeezing your hand. The TheraPutty is a little more versatile. A lot of things you can do. You can pull it apart, work on your pinching muscles, and you can squeeze it. And it comes in 6 different levels, which actually is a lot. Different densities give you different resistances, so you can work your way up to get stronger. The rings you can pull apart, you can put your fingers in the middle and open them, that kind of thing. And this I really like too. Works the individual muscles. So if you're just taking like an exercise ball and you're just kind of squeezing it, you might have a weak finger or a couple of weak fingers, but since you're squeezing it as a whole, the stronger fingers could take over for the weaker fingers. So this one won't let you get away with that. Each finger has its own little hole, and what you do is you kind of spread your fingers out, so each individual finger has to do its own work. So that's really good. Where this kit really shines is all these different resistances. Basically, if you want to get a muscle stronger, you can't keep lifting the same weight over and over and over. You'll never get stronger. You got to keep challenging the muscle, give it a reason to get stronger, and that would be giving it more resistance. So for instance, if you can squeeze this egg here, a level 1, for like a couple minutes, then what you want to do is you want to move on to this one here, that's a little harder to squeeze, and just work your way on up. And each little component in this kit works the same way. You have all the different resistances. Most of them have 3 resistances, and in the case of the putty, you got 6. So you just start at the bottom, do it for a minute or 2. If you can do that particular activity, then you just move on to the next level, and you keep working your way up. And as time goes by, you'll get stronger and stronger. So if you're looking for a specific program, there's a couple other resources I could recommend along with this. Treat Your Own Hand and Thumb Arthritis by Jim Johnson PT. If you have hand arthritis in particular, although it's good for just your whole hand because it treats all the functions of your hand, like flexibility and strength. Basically, this book's been out a while, gotten really good reviews. You don't hear much about it though for some reason, but I'd check it out. Give you a good directed program if you want some more specific strengthening, or if you have specifically hand and thumb arthritis, it'd be good to check this book out. It's all evidence-based, gives you a structured program, takes like less than 10 minutes a day, so definitely something worth checking out. Other book here I found, the Healthy Thumb Handbook. The kit doesn't have a whole lot for your thumb specifically, so if you're looking for a specific program, I would recommend this book. Basically, it's been out a little while too, so getting great reviews. It covers just about every thumb problem because it treats so many different aspects of your thumb. It gives you joint distraction techniques to treat your thumb joints, to treat the muscles. It's got teaches you trigger point therapy, stretching out the web space, just all kinds of stuff like that that you'd want to treat. Anyway, it gives you a specific program. For instance, also, while I'm thinking about it, if you have specific base of the thumb arthritis, also known as CMC arthritis, carpal metacarpal arthritis, which is common as you get older, especially in females, this gives you 2 specific exercises you can do for your thumb to strengthen. Strengthens the abductor pollicis longus muscle and your first dorsal interossei muscle. Those are 2 key muscles that stabilize your thumb joint, and this will show you how to strengthen them. And this whole program, like the other one, only takes you like less than 10 minutes a day. So it's really, really good book. Very practical, all evidence-based. But yeah, anyway, if you're looking for something just either generally to work your hand, if your hand's just overworked, you want to strengthen it, or you have arthritis, this is a good kit to have, especially like I say, because of all the different resistances. You can work your way up and get stronger pretty quick. So check it out.